1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it just stops blinking, but it's not off. This is if else. One condition, two paths. Still counting, keep blinking. Done counting, hold it on. There's a second if else inside it, doing the actual blinking on, then off, then on again. One full on off pair is what counts as one blink. Counted the moment it turns on. The fifth time this happens, that's blink 5, and the ending stays lit without one extra flash. And this is why it never actually stops. In Python, your script finishes and hands control back to the operating system. Here, there's nothing to hand it back to. If the main tried to end, there's nowhere for the ending to go. So while one, it doesn't end, it loops forever on purpose, even once the real work is done. Change the number to 10. 10 blinks now, same idea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.